Meaning of decision theory.
Decision theory.
Decision theory.
Decision theory.
Decision theory. Decision theory is a branch of mathematics concerned with making decisions under uncertainty. The theory involves identifying possible outcomes, assigning probabilities to them, and selecting the best course of action based on these probabilities. Decision theory has applications in various fields, including economics, psychology, and engineering. The goal is to make rational decisions while considering the potential risks and benefits of each option. Overall, decision theory provides a logical framework to help guide decision-making processes.